Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today I have for you a cash stuffing. We will be stuffing our bills, some subscriptions, and our cash envelopes. This will also be the first week I am cash stuffing my husband's income. His income will be prop money in our bill binder to signify what is in our bank account. And then I will be cash stuffing the rest with real money from my serving job. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to my channel and stick around for the rest of this video. All right, y'all, let's get into it. So this is going to be my first video like this. Remember, we are using prop money for my husband's income, and this is just because we are no longer a month ahead in our bill checking account. So this is just kind of my way to kind of visually see where we are at with our bills, making sure we are getting prepared for the next month and the current month we are in. The long-term goal is to use this to kind of get us back to that point where we are a month ahead in our checking account. So we are going to go ahead and kind of do this a little bit divided. We're going to count up what we are stuffing with prop money, and then we'll go back and we'll go in with the real cash, because I think that'll just be the easiest way to follow along. So for my husband's income, we are working with 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 550, 570, 580, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. So $1,597. So we're just going to kind of put all this out here. And actually, we're going to have to, we'll just push the actual cash up here for now. All right, and let's pull out that bill binder. Now, we are going to kind of do this a little bit backwards, and that's just so that it will make the most sense for everybody. So, you see mortgage and HOA along with our T-Mobile is empty, and that is because those bills have already come out for the month of May. Now, we are not fully stuffed for May, so we are going to start towards the back of our binder, because we have not stuffed insurance nor our payment for our Discover for the month of May. So we need to make sure that these are stuffed and ready first, because they are going to technically be due before the mortgage for June. So insurance, we currently have $20, and to fully fund our insurance for the month, we need $123, so we are adding in $103 today. So we now are fully funded at $123. And our Discover, we always put $425 towards our Discover card. So we've got 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 425. And that is now fully funded for May. And now we're going to go back to mortgage, and this will be the mortgage for June. So we are going to stuff the rest of my husband's income for this week into this envelope. So that is now going to be 1,050, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. So we now have 1,069 for June's mortgage. All right, and that is it for his income. So he gets paid bi-weekly, so his next one will be in 2 weeks, and we will fully fund our mortgage and probably a good chunk of June's bills. So make sure if that's something you want to see, you stick around, and we'll see how this works out for us. So now I'm going to close this for a second. We're going to count up what we are stuffing from my income for the rest of this cash stuffing. So we are working with 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 20, 30. So 230, 35, 36, 35, 36, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. So 274 to stuff the rest of our bills, subscriptions, and cash envelopes. So the only thing that we are going to be stuffing in our bill binder is going to be our taxes. I am a server, so I make $2.13 an hour, and usually that is not enough to cover my taxes. So I am currently putting aside 5% of my total income each week. So for this week, that is going to be $27. And right now this is cash, but I think at the end of the month, I'm going to also switch this over to prop money. That way I can put this money in the bank and it can start accruing at least a little bit of, you know, a little bit of interest. So now for subscriptions, I cannot, y'all, my brain today. All right, so for taxes is 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 155, 160, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. So we have 166 going towards taxes. Anyone else's brains, when they're like doing things, like jump ahead to like the next thing before you finish with the first? Because I'm pretty sure that's what was happening there. I'm like, all right, I'm ready to move on to subscriptions. Let's forget about the taxes. Next up is gym. Gym always gets $10. And so now in gym, we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So we've got $29 in gym. And next up, let's see, we do not need to stuff iCloud. That's fully funded for June, or no, for May. Yeah, for May. And let's go ahead. We are going to stuff for our Amazon Prime subscription, and we are going to do $12 today. So the little Amazon logo is $5 and the Prime logo is $7. So we get to color in one of each today. And I've kind of been doing this, the Amazon one in this like pink color and the Prime in the blue. So I think I'm going to kind of continue that because I just think it looks cute. All right, and we are making progress on this, so let's not forget to add the money to it though. So we got $12. All right, so now for our going towards our Amazon subscription, we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. So we are more than a third of the way there for Amazon Prime, and that's not due until July, so I'm pretty excited about that. We are going to get all of these subscriptions paid for well in advance, and I am ready for it. I don't know, does anyone else have a subscription binder? Because I'm kind of obsessed with mine right now. Like, the little, like, savings challenges that I created for them, I just think it makes it so much more fun, and I can't wait to stuff them. I don't know. Does that make me weird? I might be a little weird. It's okay. Moving on, let's stuff our cash envelopes. First up is my personal envelope, and each week I get $25. And this is just for my personal spending. If I want to grab coffee, if I want to, you know, treat myself, do some self-care, get some new lotion, or, you know, something fun. That's what this is for. So I am now up to 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87. Got a nice little chunk in here. I think the last thing I bought myself was a new wallet, and I don't know what I'm gonna save this up for now. I don't really spend a lot of money on myself, so we'll see. Next up is my husband, who also gets $25, and he is up to 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75. Next up is groceries. Groceries is only getting $50 this week, y'all. That is because my husband is going to be out of town this week. He has his big racing event for the year, so it's just me and the pups. So I don't need a big chunk of grocery money going in there, and seeing we had a low income last week, it just made sense to do it this way. So we are putting 50 in there, so I've got 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So let's add it to this rollover money. And now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So $129 for groceries, and that should be plenty. Next up is gas. Gas is still going to be getting $50. I think I'm just going to do 50 like this. So in gas, we now have 20, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. And that'll just be for my gas. My husband's gas for his trip will be coming out of his own little racing event envelope, so I don't have to worry about that. Pet care. Pet care is getting $30 today. We are going to do 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So pet care is now up to 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. And dining, and like I said, it's just me this week, so I'm just gonna put $20 in there just in case I want to go out myself. And fun will also be getting $20. Probably will not use this because I'm working 6 days this week, and probably will not be doing anything fun while he's gone, but just in case. And last but not least, miscellaneous is getting the last 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now in miscellaneous, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so $10 for miscellaneous. And that's it for today, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on Friday. We will be stuffing all of our sinking funds and savings challenges, so make sure you tune in then. I'll see you later. Bye.